Hey there, ever wondered what's behind that golden spice in your pantry? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of turmeric, a spice that's more than just a color in your curry. So, where does turmeric come from? Turmeric is a root, much like ginger, and it's been used for thousands of years in India and Southeast Asia. It's the bright yellow-orange powder you often see in kitchens, but it also has a long history in traditional medicine. Let's talk health benefits. Turmeric is packed with a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, meaning it helps protect your cells and fights inflammation. But what actually happens to your body if you add turmeric to your daily routine? Studies suggest that taking turmeric can support your immune system, improve digestion, and even help manage joint pain. For some, it's like a natural mood booster, bringing mental clarity and lifting that sluggish feeling. And turmeric doesn't stop there. It's used in beauty routines too. Many people make face masks with it, as turmeric is believed to help with glowing skin and reducing acne. Who knew, right? All from a simple spice in your kitchen. So how do you add turmeric into your life? You can start with a small pinch in smoothies, mix it with warm milk, or simply sprinkle it on your favorite dishes. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Quick tip, adding a dash of black pepper with turmeric helps your body absorb curcumin better, making it even more effective. A tiny twist of pepper can make a big difference. To wrap it up, turmeric is a versatile spice with amazing benefits for your body, mood, and even your skin. Whether you're using it in cooking, health, or beauty routines, turmeric can be a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to see more tips on health and wellness, don't forget to hit that follow button. See you next time.